Today this is going to be a tutorial on how to put on these gloves. We're going through the COVID-19 crisis, and one of the things everybody has heard of is not to touch surfaces, because this virus can survive on surfaces up to 24, 48, 72 hours. It can survive on cardboard up to about 24 hours, on plastic and on steel up to 72 hours. And obviously it depends on how high the concentration of the virus is and what you do. And obviously you don't want to touch your face, because the way the virus comes into your body is through your eyes, through your nose, and through your mouth. So the way you put on these any sort of gloves is, the first thing you should do is wash your hands. And I always say, wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands. You need to wash your hands. Now, when you pick up the gloves after you wash your hands, you can put the gloves on any way you want to. So you're putting on the gloves on like so, and then you put on the glove on the other side. So there, it's done. Now you have the gloves on, and you're touching various things, you're going shopping, and you're touching stuff outside your home. And once you touch something, you've contaminated the gloves. And once you've contaminated the gloves, do not, and I repeat, do not touch your face, or do not touch any other part of your body, especially if you touch your face. Like I said, you can infect yourself, and the virus can be transmitted into your body through your nose, through your mouth, and through your eyes. So how do you take off the gloves? The way you take off the gloves is, you know this is contaminated, so you pinch off the glove right here, and you just pull it off. And once you've done that, you go to the other end, the part which is not contaminated, and you take it off from the other side. And once this is gone, once this is taken off, you get rid of the gloves into some sort of garbage can, and you wash your hands. One of the things you don't want to do, let's say you go shopping and you go to the supermarket, you put on your gloves and you touch everything. You come out of the supermarket. The thing you don't want to do is get into your car, touch everything in your car, go back home, touch everything else, because you've contaminated everything from your car to your door entrance to your hallway and your kitchen, so on and so forth. So after shopping, what you should do is, once you've got everything in, go to a garbage can and dispose of the gloves. And the next thing you can do is, if you have alcohol sanitizer, which you should, if you can, carry around with you, then you use the 60% alcohol sanitizer, clean your hands. If you can't, then when you get back home, the first thing you do is wash your hands. So this was a short tutorial on how to put on gloves and how to take the gloves off. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next video.